Hello there, welcome. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to download the Telegram app on your device. You can download the Telegram app for your Android, iOS, Windows Phone, Windows NT, Mac OS, and Linux. Go to your Play Store for your Android and App Store for your iOS. In the search box type in Telegram, tap on the Install button after you find it. Wait for the download to finish. After it is installed on your device, tap Open the app, tap on Start Messaging to continue, tap on OK, and allow access for a Telegram to make and manage phone calls by tapping on Allow to sign in. Enter your mobile number and you'll need to enter a verification code sent to the mobile number to log into your account. That is how you can download Telegram on your device quickly and easily. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.